Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX7 Classic. Stock reference number 5233. The shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand bumper flasher, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand bumper flasher, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Unfortunately, not much has survived on this side of the vehicle. Right power door mirror does have a tiny little crack in the lens. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, and a right sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.